Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 35. Find the distance between the points 1/2, 1/2 and -1/2, -1/2. A √2, B 0, C 1 and D √3. So we have to find the word distance between the points. Distance between the points. Now distance between this given point D is given as the square root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Now from this information given above, x1 is equals to 1/2, comma y1 is equals to 1/2, comma x2 is equals to minus 1/2, comma and y2 is equals to minus 1/2. Now our D, distance between this point, will be equals to square root of x2 minus x1, that is minus 1/2 minus 1/2 square plus y2 minus y1, which is minus 1/2 minus 1/2 square. Now D is equals to minus 1/2 minus 1/2. That will give us what? Minus 1. Give us square root of minus 1 square plus minus 1/2 minus 1/2 will give us what? Minus 1 square. So we have D is equals to square root of 1 plus 1, because 1 square minus 1 square is 1, minus 1 square is 1. So this is equals to what? √2. So the distance between this point is √2, and that is option A. Thank you and God bless you. And subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions.